Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this shelf unit that I got for my toddler space. I needed something to organize all of her little toys and I came across this shelf on Amazon. I was a little skeptical about it because of the price. The price is really good, so I wasn't sure if it was gonna be high quality, and I was surprised. The quality of the shelf is amazing. Here, I'm gonna get up close so you can see it. It has like this shine, and one thing that I love that they even thought about it is the sharp corners. It doesn't have any sharp corners. You can see everything is very round and smooth. And when you have kids around, especially little kids, this is very important. So I love that they did this. The shelf is super sturdy. It barely moves, and it was so easy to put together. I put the shelf together by myself in less than 15 minutes. Instructions very clear, not really a hard shelf to put together. But yeah, I love the quality, especially for the price that you're paying. I was, like I said, very surprised with it, and I highly recommend it.